Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to use baselines in quick Gantt chart to track and compare project progress over time. A baseline is essentially a snapshot of your project plan at a specific point in time. It captures the current position of tasks and milestones on the timeline and allows you to compare them later, even after the plan has changed. Baselines help you see at a glance which tasks are behind schedule, on track, or even ahead of plan. They're a valuable tool for monitoring deviations and understanding how changes affect the overall project timeline. Let's start by creating our first baseline. We'll call it initial baseline, as it represents our original project plan before any changes are made. After making some changes to the chart, like shifting tasks or adding dependencies, we can create another snapshot. This one will be named revised baseline, allowing us to compare it with the original and see what has changed. Later, when the revised plan is approved by the team or stakeholders, we can add a final reference point, the approved baseline. At any given time, you can choose which baseline to display on the chart, depending on what you want to compare. This allows you to focus on tracking schedule changes relative to a specific version of your plan, whether it's the initial draft, a revision, or the final approved timeline. You can manage all saved baselines from the Baseline Manager. Click the gear icon next to the baseline selector to open it. From here, you can rename baselines to make their purpose clearer, or remove any that are no longer needed. Let's update the name of a baseline, and delete one that we no longer want to keep. Baselines do not affect the actual schedule, they are purely visual references that stay aligned to the original snapshot date. This way, you always have a point of comparison, even after the project evolves. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to define and manage your project's budget using quick Gantt chart.